If you're paying $500 to start an LLC, you're overpaying by $440, and here's the real cost breakdown. Here's the problem. Formation companies hide the real numbers until checkout. Wyoming filing costs $60 at the state level in 2026, not $500. Skip the upsells and you'll save $380 in the first 90 days. A founder in Berlin tries to start a Wyoming LLC in 2026. She Googles LLC formation service and sees prices from $299 to $799. She picks the $499 option thinking it's complete. At checkout, she's hit with $149 registered agent fees, $99 Einrush processing, and $79 operating agreement templates. Her $499 LLC now costs $826. Here's what she actually needed to pay. The state of Wyoming charges $60 to file articles of organization in 2026. That's it. Everything else is optional or can be done yourself. Most services bundle these extras and call it a package. You end up paying for things you don't need yet or can get free. The real breakdown matters because you're either spending $60 or $800, and the LLC is identical. Most people fail here. They assume the advertised price includes everything. It doesn't. The $299 package at most providers excludes the registered agent, which is legally required. You can't skip it. So you pay $299, then discover you need another $125 annually for the agent. That's $424 in year one, not $299. The state filing fee is always separate from service fees. Read the fine print. If the site says starting at or from, expect add-ons. Do not assume the price you see is the price you pay. Check the final invoice before you click submit. Go directly to the Wyoming Secretary of State website in 2026. Download the Articles of Organization form. It's a 2-page PDF. Fill in your LLC name, your registered agent's address, and your management structure. Mail it with a $60 check or file online for the same price. Processing takes 1 to 3 business days if filed online. This is the cheapest path. You've now formed your LLC for exactly $60. No service fee, no markup, no upsells. This is important. You still need a registered agent. Every LLC must have a physical address in the state where it's formed. If you live outside Wyoming or outside the U.S., you can't use your home address. A registered agent receives legal mail on your behalf. Bastion Formations charges $99 per year for registered agent service in Wyoming, which is $26 less than the industry average of $125. That brings your total first-year cost to $159. The $60 state fee plus $99 agent. Compare that to the $499 packages that don't include the agent. Here's the problem. If you skip the registered agent or use a friend's address without permission, your LLC can be administratively dissolved. Wyoming law requires a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. If the state can't serve you legal documents, they assume you've abandoned the business. Dissolution happens after 60 days of non-compliance in 2026. You lose liability protection, your business bank account gets frozen, and you have to refile from scratch. That's another $60 plus late fees. Don't risk it to save $99. Once your LLC is active, you need an IN from the IRS. This is your business tax ID. It's free if you do it yourself. Go to irs.gov and search for Apply for IN online. The form takes 8 minutes. You'll get your IN immediately after submission. Most formation services charge $50 to $99 for this exact same process. Save that money. If you're a non-US resident, you can't use the online form. You'll need to mail or fax Form SS4. Bastion Formations handles IN registration for international founders at no extra charge when you use their $249 Wyoming package. That package includes state filing, registered agent for year 1, IN assistance, and a dashboard to track your mail. It's still cheaper than the $499 DIY-plus-upsells path most people take. Apply for IN online. Wyoming LLC filing, $60 at the state. Registered agent, $99 year minimum required. IN from IRS, free if you do it yourself. Start your LLC with Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com. No hidden fees. All 50 states available. Visit https://bastionformations.com.